like match it, and then suddenly it's like, whoa, your outfit's so sick, and you have a low effort outfit that still looks cool. Trust, you will get compliments. The hack is, it's all it's all smokes and mirrors, it's all an illusion. I don't know what I'm doing, it's just colors. Now some people say sandwich method, I'm like, okay, sure. I'm peeling back the curtain, I'm showing you guys. Part of it is the energy. I can never be boring, so all my outfits are loud. Hi guys, welcome back to another Friday video. This week I've got some more outfit inspo for you, but it's a bit different, okay? Recently I've been really loving the more casual side of my style. Obviously I still love ties and leg warmers and pulling out a look, but I've been kind of getting lazy with it. So I've been looking and experimenting with different ways so I can have an outfit that's lazy but still looks good. That's today's goal. So today I'm gonna go through some tips and tricks and give you some low effort outfit ideas. Okay, I do actually need my journal for this. By the way, guys, look. So this is the journal we all know and love. It's the final page. This video and the how to style ties video is my last two videos that are in this book. I want everyone to say hi to my new one. Look how crisp. I get mine from WH Smith, by the way, if you're wondering. It's like their own brand, so it's cheaper, but still good quality, you know? They didn't have yellow. I usually get yellow, so I had to go with brown. Anyway, let's begin. My number one way that is probably the most obvious is any baggy jeans, long sleeve, short sleeve. The long sleeve, short sleeve combo actually went triple platinum with the Disney Channel older brother side character loser thing. It's kind of frumpy. It gives that low effort energy, but it still kind of gives off this, something a little interesting there, simply because you're wearing a short sleeve over a long sleeve. I feel like that also applies to pretty much all of these outfits. That's why this one's first, because it's like Bible. This is like the textbook baseline. Any iteration, you want to match the long sleeve with the short sleeve. Sometimes just doing a stark black or white with whatever color also works really good. Very like cartoony. Double thumbs up from me. Okay, the next one is a statement piece, but the statement piece being like a jacket. So these are like my go-to jeans. They're really comfy. I just chuck them on. They're originally from H&M, but I got them from a charity shop. I love them because they're baggy enough that in the winter I can wear joggers underneath. So comfy, so cozy. And also they just have that like baggy, like, I don't know how else to describe it. It's just kind of like that. Okay, let's just take this outfit for example, okay? The t-shirt is actually cool enough that I would just wear this. But let's say I'm wearing a plain t-shirt. Actually, let's say I'm wearing a plain t-shirt, okay? What is this? Statement jacket, okay. Okay, now I'm aware that this one does kind of make me look like Marty McFly, but statement jacket number one. And if that's not your style, jackets that zip up all the way. You can take an outfit with a boring t-shirt and then suddenly, oh, this is a little bit more cool and interesting because like suddenly I'm Sue Sylvester. Yeah, but do you see my point? A statement piece can distract from the fact that your outfit is boring. Okay, the next one is dungarees. Many different ways. One, dungarees just on their own. You can take, again, plain boring t-shirt, add dungarees. You've literally worn one thing. It's like how dresses are a life hack for making an outfit. Like, boom, you're wearing a whole outfit because you're wearing a dress. Dungarees, it's the same. You just wear dungarees. And because not everyone wears them, it hits the mark of, like, you're fully dressed and it's simple, but people would be like, oh, okay. And dungarees are also great because you can wear them fully like that. One arm done, both arms down, and wear them as jeans instead. Makes the whole silhouette of the outfit look more interesting, and it distracts from the fact that, like, you are just wearing two things. And that's the goal. The next one obviously had to include a tie. Now, I don't know if you're going to think this is not low effort, but to me it's low effort because I basically wear ties almost every day. But, again, any baggy jeans, a shirt and a tie, you're wearing technically two pieces of clothing and one accessory, and suddenly you're like, oh, look who's put together and looks fancy. You're just wearing a tie. There are a bajillion different ways you can wear ties and it still be practically no effort. It's just chill, man. That's like today's whole ethos. No, today's whole ethos is what the hell, sure. I'm wearing jeans and a t-shirt, and not once have you thought this outfit's boring, okay? Part of it is the energy. I can never be boring, so all my outfits are loud. the next easy way is, again, kind of basic, kind of, not to mansplain how to wear clothes to you, but color coordination. Now, some people say sandwich method. I'm like, okay, sure. My favorite color coordination is just wearing the same color. I've kind of done it today, actually. If I wore like a random t-shirt, you'd be like, okay, jeans and a t-shirt. But because this t-shirt is cool color and it matches with the blue jeans, you're like, whoa. Or maybe you do think it's boring. I don't know. But yeah, color coordination. Match at least 2 items in your outfit, and if you're wearing 2 things, then it be the 2 things. And you have a low effort outfit that still looks cool. Trust, you will get compliments. My favorite way to color coordinate is these pink cargo trousers I have. Well, actually they're purple with this like purple, just like match it, and then suddenly it's like, whoa, your outfit's so sick. Do you see what I'm saying? Like, it's all a trick. I feel like I'm peeling back the curtain. I'm showing you guys like actual, can you tell I've recorded 3 videos today because I'm so fidgety. The hack is, it's all a trick. It's all smokes and mirrors. It's all an illusion. I don't know what I'm doing. It's just colors. Someone please subscribe for my sanity, maybe? My next one, kind of following on from the cargos, is we've had statement jackets and t-shirts. But have you heard of statement jeans? Round of applause for all of these jeans. I have my star jeans that look like stars. It's from Alfred Eden. They sent it to me. Thank you so much. Love you guys. And then we have my other pair of star jeans that I made myself. Woo! Maybe I'll do a tutorial on them. Do you want a tutorial? Because I could make another pair. I could. I could. Would you guys want that? Again, it's another way to trick people into thinking that you're really cool and awesome. But it's all in the jeans. Also, guys, big thing to remember. I think I mentioned this earlier, but I actually am severed when I stream. I undergo severance and I blackout, and I don't remember if I said it already. But a major like staple of low effort outfit is just being confident. Oh, no, don't leave. Yeah, I know. You just gotta walk around like you are wearing something really cool, and then you'll extrude. Is that the word? Coolness, and then people will think you're cool. But also, who cares what people think? Low effort outfits are up, guys. By the way, heard someone saying that menswear is back. I've been doing that for 1.5 years. Everyone catch up on ties. I'm doing bow ties and blazers next, okay? Guys, that's literally it. The main key thing is you can take any outfit with 2 items, add 3 accessories, and you have an outfit that's put together, but requires basically no thinking. Let's do this as an example together, okay? Here's an outfit. Now, I want you to add 3 accessories. Here's accessory number 1. Here's accessory number 2. And here's accessory number 3. Now, look at the before and after. Now, also look at the before and after with added, like, confidence and posing. You see? It's all a facade. Ooh, yeah? Do you get it? Yeah. You can do it too. Everybody, yeah. Hope that's been helpful, guys. I will see you next week. If you liked today's video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. Check out all my other videos. I've got style bundles where I can style you. I've got merch out. It's awesome. Check out the website. Also, just because it looks cool. And shout out to my supporters on the website because you're cool and awesome. Yeah. Bye. Bye.